How's everybody doing today? We got a boat, as you guys can see, the one that we were talking about in our videos, and you know, we have to put the motor back in it, which it's not in here yet. We still got to get that in there. You know, we want you guys to like, share, and subscribe. That's one of our main things. We want to try to get as much people to like our videos and give us support.
How soon before we get the motor in this boat?
Yeah, you guys should give us some time on that. You know, give us that. That's what we want to know. Here, I'm gonna take the camera for a minute. Give it to my dad.
The motor's going in this boat now. In this video, you're about to see. It's going in, and then by the end of this video, this boat is going to be ready to be registered and put in the water. And then we're going to have a test drive video. What do you guys say about that?
Sure, I'm down.
Who's driving?
Me. I'm driving. We know who's driving.
Who's driving?
Both of us. We're both driving.
I think I'm driving.
I got my license. I don't know about him. It's alright though. We'll still.
I'm driving.
Ow! Oh, we gotta say it, but it's okay.
So like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, Billy, we gotta get a little closer.
Do you want me to grab it from right here?
I don't want you to stand back. I want you to stand back. Keep it from hitting the hull.
That's good.
Alright, you got
It's good.
We can't stop. We're on the concrete. It's just gonna roll off.
Jack up.
Oh, there's Polly. Your dog's over here, buddy. Polly's boyfriend.
A little bit more.
We're going, baby. Yeah, baby.
No, try.
No. You got the old thing.
One more. Yeah, get that off of the back of the boat.
Kids, don't try this at home. Watch the distributor.
Yeah. It's definitely good now.
No, it's gonna lower down when we get into the holes over there.
Wait. Oh yeah. You gotta fucking
Hey,
pivot.
hold the motor because let him hold some of the weight of that motor so it doesn't want to fly that way.
Yeah, but we gotta.
You get it?
Alright, get back a little bit, Steve. Alright, we gotta go up, Billy. Just a little more. A little bit more. Alright, right there. Alright, stand back for a minute, let it hang there for a second.
Don't. Dad was mad at me yesterday. I did to him yesterday.
I want to wash up and get a beer.
Say that again.
I want to wash up and get a beer.
No drinks for you.
Well, I'm calling it a day. It's over. We got the boat. We got the fucking thing in here. That was our plan. That's what you said in the house.
You can't put that bolt at least in the hole?
Where? We didn't explain that.
Bro, look at this one. See this bolt right there?
Oh, okay. See, that's not what you explained to me. Can you see?
Yeah. Try and get it in there. Get mine in too.
Whoa, dude.
I got that on recording, Steven.
Get mine in there too. Come on, man, do your job. Let's get this thing out on the lake. Let's go.
Oh.
All right.
Steve, can you take this?
Sure. I'm not sure if you guys seen this yet, but you know, here's what it is. Here's the cuddy in there. There's the cuddy in there.
Yeah, that's the bomb working in there. Wow. Definitely looks different than the last shot.
It does.
Only if I could have some help. It would be so much easier.
What do you want me to do? How can I help you?
Just grab this.
Grab what, this?
The pump. This.
The hose?
Yeah.
Is that better?
Up. Just pull up on it.
Let me get my arm in there. How's that?
Yeah.
Is it in the hole though? Is it tightening? Or are we off center? That's what I'm trying
We're
to...
off center.
We are, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit.
How are we gonna get in there? We got two that we need to drop in.
I don't know. I don't know. You can drop it now. You don't need to.
You didn't get it in there either.
I couldn't get mine in.
Think that's Uncle Timmy's job?
Yeah.
Nice.
Free boat rides for anybody who wants to help.
Yeah, free boat ride.
Get in there and put that bolt in so I don't
Say
have
that
to.
again.
Huh?
Say that.
Free boat rides to anybody who wants to get in there and get these two back bolts in for me.
Oh, you heard that?
Steven, do you agree?
Yeah, I just cracked my back too. Did you hear that? Free boat rides. I automatically get free boat rides. Which is nice.
Look at that! Look at it! Looking good. Looking real good.
Alright guys, we have something very special for my brother right here. It's something that he's needed for a very long time, and we hope he likes it. You need to close your eyes for this, okay?
I need to close my eyes.
You need to close your eyes.
There you
My
go.
eyes are closed.
Okay?
I gotta open it like this?
No, God, you
No,
can
you
open
can
it.
open it now.
Alright.
Let's go
Here,
open it.
I have a special thing for you.
You got a knife for me?
Yes, it's in there.
Alright.
I wonder what it is. It's something very special.
It'd be kind of funny too.
It looks like a new stereo. What's that for? It's for my Infinity. So this is a Boss audio system, 4-channel stereo. You know, your average nice double-din stereo. It's got a 6.2-inch screen. Pretty nice. I like it.
That's going in the Infinity. But we completed the boat project, as you can see, and well, we're ready to take this sucker out on the lake.
Yes, we are.
And that's not going to be in this video, obviously, because we just got done with this. And, you know, we're getting But also in this video, we want to kind of give back to you guys, right? We need something, and we want to give back to you guys. We appreciate you guys watching us. So we're gonna do a giveaway, okay? So 5 of our subscribers. Each subscriber is gonna get a $25 gift card. Of those 5 subscribers, each one will get a $25 Amazon gift card. And all you have to do
is give us 1,000 subscribers. That's all you need to help us out with. If you get us up to 1,000 subscribers, and if you guys like, share, and comment, every one of you, if you like, share, and comment on every video that we posted, then you'll have a higher chance of winning the giveaway.
Yep. So in order to win the giveaway, you gotta comment 5 videos, you gotta like 5 videos, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Alright? And that's all you gotta do to win. And we'll do a random winner. And we'll do that when we hit 1,000 subscribers as our final finale 1,000 subscriber video, whatever you want to call it. And thank you for watching.
Peace out, guys.
Like, share, subscribe.